So, I want to dry some more oranges. I'm at work, the hot cupboard's on, so we might as well dry them in the hot cupboard while I'm here. I want to do segments this time, so I have segmented an orange. There's a video somewhere in my videos about how to segment an orange, but I kind of thought if you don't want to do that, you could just buy mandarin orange segments like those there. Just pick out the good ones and dry those out. We're going to see how they dry out, and then we'll end up seeing how they are in a cake that I'm going to make. But we'll just kind of see. I'm just kind of quite curious. Obviously, you've got a dehydrator, use the dehydrator, but I'm at work and I've got the hot cupboard, so I'm going to use the hot cupboard. Or you can use my other method, which is like on the top of a pan that's cooking on the top of the stove for like 3 or 4 hours. Just put them on the pan lid and they slowly dry out that way as well. So we'll see how they turn out. Alright, so these dried out some, not fully dried out yet. These ones are the tinned mandarin orange segments, and they've kind of gone to nothing. So let's discount them. I don't think buying tinned fruit and dehydrating them like that kind of works. Well, it does work, I just don't think it's worthwhile. And these are the segments. So that one's just about, that one is just about dried out as much as it's going to do. Those have still got a little bit further to go. So if we look at those, and then we look at these, so those two are slightly better, but I think we get a higher yield. Look at those, look at those. I think we get a higher yield if we don't segment them. So I don't think it's worth segmenting them. I think it's best off to do that, and I think it's probably because of the pith that's holding it all together. So you kind of get like what looks like a higher yield. So you don't need to segment them. I think that's just fine, and you don't taste that pith, so it doesn't kind of really matter. Yeah. Oh, mind you, no, that's another video that I'm making. But anyway, so I don't think it's worth it. You can do it, but I don't think it's worth it.